Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. This has a 5.7 liter HEMI. I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. This does have a lot of LEDs on it. So if any of them look like they're flickering, that's the refresh rate of my camera, not the LED to the human eye. This one does have fog lights up front, also tow hooks. And some of the pictures look different to you as an adjustable ride height, so I will take pictures at different ride heights for you. It does have dual exhausts and a tow package. Also power sliding back window, spray on Bedliner. Four-wheel drive. In the event that I hadn't mentioned that previously. It does have polished alloy wheels. Go ahead and take it for a tour of the interior. Alright, you see that it has black leather interior, and this rear does have heated seats. You also have stow boxes right here. Go ahead and give you a shot of that VIN. All right. We'll go ahead and turn the stereo down. And coming over here, you're going to see that it has 15,589 miles on this vehicle. It's your push to talk, your trip computer, and cruise control, and your manual shifter. And then on the opposite side here, that's where you're going to find your stereo controls from your steering wheel. Come down here, you got your push button ignition, your shifter, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering. Here's your adjustable ride height. You see that you do have heated seats or cooled seats here in the front. Then you also have a heated steering wheel. There's your additional climate controls, which can also be controlled from right here. If you want to see the backup camera, you can just pop that on right there. Or you could just put it in reverse. Then it automatically goes away when it's no longer in reverse. It does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Here are your additional apps as well. You can jump directly to navigation here. Connect with your phone. All right, so that about wraps up the stereo. You also do have 115 right here, and then you have 2 glove compartments over there. You have additional power supplies in here, and a lot of storage down there. And as you come up above, you have your map reading lights, your controls for your rear window, and then you have your sunroof. And this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.